In this tutorial we're going to look at the paths option. If you navigate down to your layers toolbar, you can see that there's a paths tab. Now a path, put simply, is a selection. In this case we're going to select and trace around the image of the person. So if you click on the path, then you see three little lines here with a small arrow button. If you click on that, you've got a selection that says new path. You click on that and you name your path. So in this case we're going to call it outline of person. It is very important that you always name all your layers and your paths. As you can see here, there's a path I've made that I prepared earlier, which I'll explain in a second why I did that. Once you've made your path, you're able to then navigate to your left hand side and click on the pen tool. And just like you've learned in the previous tutorial how to use the pen tool, you start to trace around the outline of your image. In this case, it's this person. So rather than me spending time tracing this, it is important that you take your time, don't rush, so you have the best results possible. Now, as you can see here, I've prepared one earlier. Once you've finished and you've made your selection using the pen tool, you are able to then right click on your layer and click on make a selection. Now what that's saying is that you want to select this person and cut him out and paste him onto another page. One important feature that you can see here, it says feather radius. What feather does, it blurs out the edge or the outline of your image. So if we keep this at 0, then click OK, I'll copy that and I will paste onto a new layer, and you can see that the outline is very sharp and rigid. Now if I repeat that process, this time when I make a selection, I will apply a feather value to this. So I will put 20, click OK, Control C, and then I'll paste. Now you can see that what's happened is that it's blurred out and it's become transparent. So option 1 with no feather, it's sharp and rigid, and option 2, once I've applied the feather to it, it blurs out.